In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get some free traffic for CPA marketing. So basically, when it comes to CPA marketing, you basically choose your offer from your CPA network that you are approved in. You build a landing page for that particular offer, and then you start driving free traffic to that offer so that people can see it, complete the CPA offer, and you get paid. So a lot of people actually struggle when it comes to getting the free traffic for their CPA offers. So that you might go and grab your link. So I'm just on CPA lead right now. You may see some offers right here. You may search and see this one. Okay, install and play 3 games, 5 minutes each. Okay, you would see that that's for Android. It's paying out $1. This is actually for the free cash affiliate program. And then you would copy your link and start driving traffic, whether that be on Reddit, Quora, or Facebook, Twitter, or any of those traffic sources, YouTube. So you may go onto Reddit and you may search for things like how to make more money playing games. And then you would answer people based off what they asked on Reddit and things like that. And you would do the same thing on Quora, ask people, come across threads where people are discussing how to make extra money online, how to make money playing games, or whatever's related to the actual offer that you chose in CPA lead. Okay, you would choose a suitable traffic source to go ahead and promote that. So a nice way that I found to simplify this whole process of CPA marketing, I actually got access to a product, and this product is it's called Commission OS. You can check it out at the first link in the video description, but this is like an all-in-one dashboard, an all-in-one training program, all-in-one traffic generation system that's going to allow you to get traffic to your CPA offers. So I'll show you everything about this Commission OS. But basically, if you know everything about CPA marketing and you just want to go ahead and get traffic, you would come here and you would go to free traffic. They have a dedicated section all related to free traffic. So you click on free traffic, and what you can do is you can take these challenges and it's going to give you a game plan on how you can get traffic. So they have 11 free traffic sources to promote CPA offers. So they have a tutorial right there. They have a Reddit account and setup and link promotion. These are all the best practices that you need to follow for Reddit. Okay, you can see it's a full and step-by-step in-depth guide. But now if you want to go ahead and, for an example, use beginner traffic, start today, zero cost, we have Pinterest, we have TikTok, we have Facebook groups, we have Twitter, we have forum posting, then we have YouTube and YouTube Shorts, then we have blogging, LinkedIn, Telegram, Discord communities. Even they cover even advanced strategies on how to actually get traffic, SEO niche sites, and everything like that. So basically, you would just need to choose a handful of these, and this is going to give you everything you need to know about how to drive traffic. Let's just say I want to drive traffic on Pinterest. You can see this is easy. It's going to take you 30 minutes per day and it's going to cost you $0. So you'll click on here and I'll just show you Pinterest because I don't want to reveal each and every one of them. It's unfair to the people that have gotten access to the product. But if you want to get access to this, it is at the first link in the video description. So it says here, create a Pinterest account, set up 5 to 10 boards, write keyword-rich board discussions, and this software will actually help you create the pins and everything like that. Create pins in Canva, write titles, okay, and then it actually gives you everything you need to do. And they even have an AI coach that you can go ahead and talk to help you out on this journey. So that is endless ways basically on how to actually get free traffic, and they do have these challenges. So for an example, if I go down here and you go to CPA challenge, what you can do is you can do a 30-day challenge with all these traffic sources. So 30-day Reddit plus Quora, 30-day Pinterest challenge. So let's just say we want to do the 30-day Pinterest challenge. You would click on start, select the challenge right here, and you would need to put in your offer. So I'm going to say survey offer, and then the network I'm using is CPA lead, and the landing page, I'll just leave that like that. Okay, and right now you can see I'm in the 30-day Pinterest challenge that you can check your progress and everything. But every single day you do something, and this is going to allow you to drive traffic and get conversions in your CPA marketing campaign. So day one, you create your Pinterest profile, you choose one CPA niche, you create 5 keyword based boards, you draft the review page headline, and you set up tracking labels. Okay, that's day one, and this is going to allow you to not get overwhelmed when it comes to your CPA marketing journey. And this is great for beginners and advanced people who want to go ahead and make money with CPA marketing. Now, when it comes to picking the CPA offers, building the landing page, and driving the traffic, it does teach you everything. So if you go to the dashboard, you can see that I'm a CPA rookie, but basically you can watch a full in-depth training video right here that's going to explain exactly what this piece of software is going to allow you to do. And then you have the setup checklist. So basically how it works is you connect your CPA network, you find an offer, you analyze the offer. The software is going to analyze the offer completely with AI. You build a landing page, and this is going to allow you to build a landing page that's fully and they're going to also show you how to host that landing page so that you get better results with your CPA marketing, because you always want to be building a landing page when it comes to CPA marketing. Then it's going to actually help you generate content to drive even more traffic, and you can set up tracking and build your roadmap. So for an example, they have all these CPA networks right here that work with this commission OS system. So the one that I'm using is CPA Lead, CPA Grip, Ad Combo. Okay, you have all these ones right here. There's literally a long list of all these CPA networks that you can join. You can see there's no shortage of actual CPA marketing networks to join, and then it's going to show you how you can get approved, a complete network approval guide that's going to help you get approved into these CPA networks. So that's really nice. Now if I go into the offer finder and it's connected to CPA Lead on the back end, CPA Lead live offers, you can see I have all these offers right here that I can promote from CPA Lead, and you don't have to leave the Commission OS system to get these offers. It's all within the one dashboard, so you don't have to go from tab to tab from the CPA network back here. So it's all in one. So I'm gonna choose this one right here, install and play 3 games 5 minutes each, and then all you need to do is click on use offer, and then you scroll down and then you click on launch in AI analyzer, and then the AI is going to analyze everything and give you all the details about the offer. So it gives you the network, the name, the URL for the offer. This is targeting the US, and the payout amount was $1.50. And then you just click on run deep analysis, and within 30 seconds or so you will have a full in-depth analysis on the CPA offer to help you promote it better, as you can see right here. So this is going to pay you $30 to $150 per day is the earning potential if you do one of those challenges with this particular offer. So then it has the target audience profile, but basically you come down right now, and what you can do is you can build a landing page, generate content, and then build a roadmap. So first of all, you want to build a landing page for this offer. So then you click on these you customize it. I want a clean and light. You can choose premium, gradient, editorial, or news. So I'm going to choose clean and light. And then what I want is I want to have like a warning and alert page. Okay, so that seems good, but you can choose fake news, quiz funnel, warning alert, comparison page, personal case study. Are you eligible? So I'm actually going to go with I'll stick with warning and alert, and then you just come down here. You can fill in your angle and hook right there, or leave it blank. And then what you do is you use Mistral AI. You connect that in your settings, and that's actually free to actually create the landing page. And then you just click on generate landing page, and then the Commission OS within 30 seconds to 1 minute will actually start creating the landing page for you. And then you'll have that. You can take the code for that, and in the training of this actual product, they'll tell you how you can host that for free and start driving traffic with the traffic plans and the daily challenges in this product to be able to drive as much traffic as you want for free to these offers. Okay, so as you can see, the landing page has now been built out. So you can see it says your device may be at risk. It has this like a progress bar, and then you basically come down here and people will progress. Click on get started now, and then they'll go through the process of completing the offer. So you can actually, if you like this landing page, you can save the template, copy it or download it, and then you want to grab the code, and you can go into like system.io or ClickFunnels or whatever free website creation tool you have, and you can paste this code in here, and then you can actually host that for free. But they do also teach you how to do that within the training of Commission OS. But I really like this software because it gives you all the training when it comes to actually driving the free traffic. So I like the CPA challenge. So right now I'm enrolled in the Reddit challenge, and I just need to complete this, and you will start driving traffic if you go through this challenge. And once you've done the Pinterest challenge, then you move on to the TikTok challenge, then you move on to the Quora challenge, then you move on to the Reddit challenge, and you start driving incredible amounts of free traffic to these actual CPA offers. Now, before you click off the video and click the link in the video description, I do also have 4 exclusive bonuses that I'll give you access to if you pick up a copy of Commission OS. It's really going to help you out in your CPA marketing journey. So let's go over my bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the Fast Track CPA Network Approval Guide. Because you're doing CPA marketing, you need to get approved into these different CPA networks. And this guide, or this bonus that I have created for you, is going to help you get approved much quicker into these CPA networks. And then bonus number 2 is the CPA Official Vertical Playbook and Swap File, a field guide to evergreen CPA verticals worth running. So it's going to give you what are the best possible CPA offers to run on these different CPA networks. And that's going to teach you all of that within under 5 minutes. And it's also going to give you a scorecard to track what's actually working in your CPA marketing business. So that's bonus number 2. And then bonus number 3 is the 24-hour campaign fast start checklist. Because when you're getting started with CPA marketing, it may be quite confusing and quite overwhelming. And with this bonus, it's going to help you get set up and start running and start driving traffic, potentially making conversions within your CPA marketing business within 24 hours. So that's a really nice in-depth training PDF that's going to teach you how to do that. And then bonus number 4 is my organic traffic playbook for CPA offers. So as well as driving all the organic traffic and free traffic with the help of Commission OS, this bonus is actually going to help you drive even more traffic to CPA offers through the help of this exact bonus that I have created for you. So if you like what you see today, you can get access to Commission OS. It's very, very affordable at the first link in the video description. When you get to your receipt page after your purchase, there will be a blue button that says affiliate bonuses. You can click that affiliate bonuses link and button, and it will take you to your affiliate bonuses, which I just showed you, and you can download your bonuses. I hope that you got value from this video. If you did, like it, subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next one.